Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to join you today. My name is David Robertson with Viridian Automation. Viridian is a building technology integrator based in Oakville, just west of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. For over a decade, we've been helping customers in South Central Ontario to design, install, and maintain base building systems that include building automation, access control, security video, network cabling, and all of their various subsystems. Part of our mission, as we see it, is to act as a pre-filter for our customers in the sea of technology offerings on the market today, not all of them effective or of high value. At Viridian, we believe in open protocol, flexible, user-friendly, and cost-effective building technologies and IoT solutions. We serve many different sectors, including multi-res, commercial real estate, schools, municipalities, mission-critical data centers, and others. And while our primary focus is South Central Ontario, we do get involved in national rollouts using local installation partners when customers want to create and maintain a standardized solution across Canada. One of our strengths as a multi-skilled provider of building technologies is the ability to bring together different teams within an organization to plan and execute improvements in a way that includes all stakeholders from finance to operations to IT, helping to formulate a fully complete project plan and avoid surprises late in the process that can cause delays and cost overruns. Integration of a connected building is a common term these days, and it can mean different things to different people. To Viridian, integration means that from a customer's perspective, they will have access to the information they need to make timely decisions on all aspects of building operations that they think are important enough to make visible through technology. These decisions may relate to daily, monthly, or annual energy consumption, security, personal safety, loss prevention, water leak detection and alerting, and more. We work directly with owners, managers, consultants, and other stakeholders to make priority systems more visible and make sure that migration towards some future goal is considered in any recommendations that we might make. So customers don't need people like us so much anymore for equipment specifications. They have the internet for that. What they do need is honest, informed, and reliable advice on which of the many IP and IoT solutions available today are worth pursuing given their unique circumstances. Notwithstanding, commonalities between virtually all of them are listed here. Customers are looking for open protocol. In our world, that means BACnet for automation, but it can be many other communication protocols as well. They want to see flexible systems, systems that are scalable. They want them to be IP-based. They want modular hardware and software to make changes and additions easier. They want an integrated suite of seamless devices. That doesn't mean that we have to see everything on a single pane of glass, but it does mean that the components that we're recommending need to play nicely together where possible, because that lowers time resources and time required, and it lowers the cost of projects. They want to see LEED or LEED-like or LEED-inspired designs to make sure that their buildings are operating as efficiently and as carbon neutrally as possible without sometimes taking on the burden of the administrative burden that can be seen in some of those programs. The building Internet of Things is a big question for people as well. Getting back to the idea of the connected building, they want to know which elements of the connected building will make sense for them from a business case point of view. They also want to see cost-effective tools that drive energy and operational savings while alerting on adverse events in real time. This leads us to customer challenges. The one I'd like to focus on today is water leak and flood detection. As an example, last year we were approached by the manager of a multi-residential condominium building who shared that he'd had 8 significant leak events over the past 18 months. As a result, he's now having to functionally self-insure, since this condo corporation's deductible has risen to over $100,000 per event We're in the process of installing a pilot of the Sensative system in this building in order to let building staff experience EGO and the strip sensors for themselves, and we're excited about how they're going to respond once that's in place. We're focusing on water because a number of customers have commented on what they see as a changing insurance landscape and rising cost of repairs. While water leaks are the most common insurance claims in most buildings, we're also excited by the versatility of Sensitive's strip sensors and the EGO platform that has been outlined in the other parts of this presentation. Once EGO is in place, the marginal cost of monitoring for other parameters, some of them even on the same sensors, such as pipe freeze conditions, falls dramatically. A point of clarification I want to make is that water sensors have been around for a long time. We've been installing them as part of our solutions in building automation. The problem is that hardwired solutions are costly after the fact. So if you want to go in and retrofit a finished space, that's a whole other conversation than adding sensors while the building is being constructed. And if you want to talk about the Wi-Fi solutions that we've seen out there, because we've reviewed a lot of different solutions before deciding on Sensitive, have distance limitations due to interference with building materials like steel and concrete. So what's most exciting about Sensitive to an integrator like Viridian? The top 5 features that we see as being the primary drivers to us and to customers in turn are A, the fact that wireless connectivity over longer distances from a central hub is very attractive in terms of project costs, both in terms of outright costs and the time to implement. B, the ability to connect through BACnet and other communication protocols is critical to us because we have many installed systems where we can integrate Sensitive and EGO with those existing systems. C, real-time notification to minimize property damage is self-explanatory and of critical importance. D, the 10-year battery life lowers the operational costs of the system, and we like that because it lowers costs for all of our customers. And E, the versatility in connecting countless third-party devices means that the investment you make in a system today can expand with your changing needs in the future. Other underlying factors are the rising cost of water. We don't see this trend changing anytime soon. In fact, it's only going to continue. And another important factor is that we want to be on the leading edge in enabling our customers in the shift to high-value IoT technology applied to buildings. It's especially important to consider this and the advantages of moving to proven IoT tools now in the face of COVID and the wake of COVID to protect assets and act in real time when there are fewer customers and fewer staff on site to catch adverse conditions like water leaks. Beyond these key features that Sensitive solution offers, we're most excited about the Sensitive team's commitment to driving value for customers as it aligns with our own. At Viridian, we believe that while a fair price is always important, today's customers are seeking effective and reliable IoT solutions to help them to protect and optimize the performance of their real estate assets. Thank you for the opportunity to share. Stay safe and stay effective.